Welcome back to another video. I moved the microphone here because in the last video the audio was so terrible in terms of quality and sound that I had to edit it and boost up the volume multiple times. So the microphone's here to make sure that you guys can hear me loud and clear. Um, Anyone that's new to the channel, welcome, and please do subscribe. It's free. If you don't like it, you can always unsubscribe in the future. That's not an issue. For those people that are already subscribed, thank you very much for still being subscribed, and hopefully you enjoyed today's video. So normally we're looking at Superstonk, which is kind of like the main place where people were for the last 3 months. But due to some drama that happened on last week, Thursday, Friday, I think, people slowly decided it's been compromised by shields, fudge, drama, everything, so they just didn't really want to stay in there fully. And everyone slowly, well, not everyone, but people slowly migrated to a new place, GMEJungle. So now there's four, yes, four places you can go that will give you GME news. You can go to GME, you can go to Superstonk, you can go to GMEJungle, and you can go into DD into GME. Now, you can argue that Wall Street's bets or other places. No. It's them four places you're gonna go for GME related content. Anyway, gonna go through GMEJungle. Hopefully it's memes. I realized the filters are not working. This is actually like a Reddit problem. So that's why the flare filters aren't working. Hopefully Reddit you can get onto that because I actually would like to filter some content. So we're gonna be looking at the top of today. We've seen that one before. It's Ryan Cohen's nose with the chopsticks, signifying that what was it again? Stock split. Splitting the sticks under the nose. It's under the nose, the split. Oh gosh, yeah. So GME is only worth 12 billion market cap, and Robinhood is going for 40 billion. Robinhood's IPO is a scam, posting for visibility. What if I told you the sexy IPOs always go to the same crew? If you're being offered an IPO, it's because no one wants it. Retail's never offered the fire IPOs, which is so true. It is absolutely true. Just don't fucking don't. Oh god, that is such a true thing. I know for a fact that I'll probably be working during the MOAS, and I have a strong feeling that I'll probably be paying attention at work because I was at one point when it was around like the $350 range, was paying attention at work with my work iPad. For reference, I work in hospitality. I'm not going to disclose location or anything like that, but I work in hospitality. I use an iPad to take orders. It has access to Safari. I have checked GME ticker during shift. Now that was a while back ago. Now I don't really care, but as soon as things start spiking up, I will be interested in following it at work. So there's a high chance that I might have to try not to get too excited at work. Oh, daily reverse repos. Okay, this came out 5 hours ago. Nice. Let's see if the dude that always comments is in the comments. Is he? Yes, I love it. Cool. July 20th. 848.102 billion. That number's gone down by like less than 12 mil, and participants has gone up by 4, so it's 75. Average in billions has gone down, and the rate is still 0.05. Apologize, I am tired. It is fairly late. It is like, as you can see, it's 12:30 in the morning. But I wanted to check through this as well. So, what else is there on here? Wait, it bounced back over 185. I thought Netflix hired a new guy. How can this be? How bizarre. Oh gosh. Yes. Yes, literally what I started in the video. Hold on. It is important to draw wisdom from many different places. If you take it from only one place, it becomes rigid and stale. GME, super stunk. GMEJungle, DD into GME. Now, I don't really look into that one, which is probably the most important one. This one, I haven't really been active for a while like that. I mean, it's on my home feed, but I don't actually click into the Reddit, subreddit. This one, of course, been super active, but now I'm going to become more active in this and probably that. But I'm not going to forget the top two. But just after the super strong drama, I don't know. I don't know. Just finished the big short. I need a run. No, I'm good. The first professional now staying in Gov's. Yes, I saw this briefly. You know when state employee pensions, so retirement system pensions, are buying into GameStop, you know they see it as a good investment. 25,000 shares. That's 5.3 million. Louisiana State Employees Retirement System reports 0.40 percentage increase in ownership of GME GameStop. So they already had shares, but they've increased it by that. Now, if you want to do the maths, you can work out what they was holding before. You got Maryland State Pension, 4,427. Not as impressive, 883,000, but still buying shares. And the most impressive one of all, State of Alaska, 38,382 shares, which is 8.219 billion. Sorry, million. Yeah, not billion. That was a mistake. $1,000,000. Well, if it was billion, it'd be a bloody lot more and a bit worrying actually, considering I'm probably about the whole float. But yeah, that's an revenue reports 3.74% increase in ownership of GME. So they're increasing their stake, and this is in pensions, which is something that we all pretty much own for our safety retirement. I'm so tired. Jeff Bezos launches his rich ass to space. Ryan Cohen puts chopsticks up his nose, confirming Mars. Oh gosh, yeah, Jeff Bezos, Richard Branson, Elon Musk all having a race to space, and yeah, no one cares. No one cares. We're just here about Ryan Cohen. Come on. Ryan Cohen, my investors are the finest of the generation. Apes. Ryan Cohen, look at them go. I'm laughing because it's so fucking true. Like, oh my god, it's like we're all degenerates, but amazing degenerates. You can't antagonize gamers and expect them to just walk away. I'm not feeling the love on this site today. Traded is a tough game, don't you think? Sits forward. Yeah, anyone that doesn't get basically a real gamer will sit forward when they're putting in that concentration on that work. You're going from comfortable and relaxed to let's take this shit serious. So yeah. Yeah, that's just a tweet he did. Exponential floor guy right now. Alright, I might need some contents. What did I miss? Nothing low. We had a solid run up today, little to no short attacks, but from open to around 11:30 EST, the chart was tracking an exponential curve. Well, there was 400k fell to delivers at $213.82. That would be a ripe 21 plus. Oh my. You know, all these trading cycles, T21 and T35, it's very interesting. But the thing is, I think because we've overhyped it, it's like something that the shills are aware of. So it's one of those things. These type of informations we find out, it's great to know, but once we do know, so do the shills, so they can slightly throw a spanner in the works. But the thing is, we did realize that the T21 was working for like 5 months in a row to then deviate the last month, kind of. Well, it hasn't really fully played out, so we gotta give it a chance. Very interesting job posting on LinkedIn for Fidelity software engineer. Okay. Full time, mid senior level. Okay. Wait, are they trying to get 10,000 plus employees? Or they already have 10,000 employees and they're just looking for one person? Either way. Yeah, I remember reading that. Yeah, talking about the squeeze. I mean, they're making it obvious. We know the squeeze is coming. January apes, hoping for faster fucking shit. Oh my gosh. It's so fucking true. It is actually so true. Like, I'm gonna keep it 100, yeah? Real. This is what I'm about. Real transparentness. Back in January, I didn't understand the situation fully. I understood it about maybe 2% of what I understood now, but at that point, it was like maybe 50% of what we actually knew, but it's like 2% of what we know now. Yeah, I was actually holding out for like maybe 1,000 a share to sell. So what I was thinking is, this was my old opinion. When the MOAS started, I was thinking, okay, cool. I'll sell a certain amount of shares at 1,000. Example, let's say I've put $10,000 into it. When it hits $1,000, I could sell 10 shares and then keep the rest and see where it goes. So I cover my cost basis. And then it's like I can see how far I can hold on to it. I ain't even thinking of selling a share at 1,000 now. 10,000? I don't know. 100,000 probably, yeah, maybe I'll get rid of 1 or 2 shares, who knows. But actually, you just have to wait till the situation plays out. But yeah, I'm don't think I'm gonna be selling a single share at 1,000. That's for sure. Maybe 10,000. Nah. I don't know about 10,000 actually. I think it has to be 100,000 minimum for a share. But then we're supposed to sell on the way down actually. I'll wait till it plays out. But it's all how you feel in the moment, really. To be honest, I mean, it's nah. Actually, let me not say that because you guys are gonna say fear. You're gonna say fear, uncertainty, doubt, and shield. Yeah, sell on the way down. Stick to the plan. 40 mil share. That's the goal. That's the goal. 40 mil share. Let's stay strong. No FUD. Let's leave it at that. I didn't even read the rest of the meme. Shit. June names after reading all the DD, not settling for no less than 30 mil. I swear it's 40 mil, and I've seen a post where it's like 46 or 42 mil. But yeah. Don't threaten me with a good time. The behavioral bonds here should scare the ever living shit out of everyone. Despite trillions of dollars, the bond market is calling bullshit on secular inflation and the bullshit narrative. I believe bonds are sniffing a credit downgrade coming. Wake the fuck up. Yeah, I never really fucked with bonds, but it looks like now's not the time to touch it. What was the most unforgettable Reddit post that everyone needs to read? A House of Cards Part 1 to 3 but oh gosh. And that's in an Ox Reddit. That's not even a GameStop related thing. That's literally in an Ox Reddit. The Moon Jam is not only for apes. Keep it PG 13 if attending. Fair. Man, so glad those Delta variant fears are over. Dow futures rebound by 200 points after measure suffers worst day in 8 months. Yeah, that was kind of bad, not gonna lie. That was really bad. We like the stock. His and her ape game and set. Wait, what? Whoa. I need this zoomed in. Hold on. That's actually beautiful. Look at that. You got a nice little male gaming chair. You got a female gaming chair. You got the stock in the middle of the screen. You got GameStop. That's they literally have it from pre-January, January 28th, around here. That's like January 26th, around that point or whatever, or January 30th. And then all the way down to February like 17th, where it just... I love the live stream they got, the computer. Hey, they got the cat. Oh my god, they have a cat. Yeah, that's actually goals. Congratulations, have a GME day. Oh, I want that. I actually really do. I'm going to split the stock and the floor, right? Right? Oh my gosh. We are not going to split the stock and split the floor. We can split the stock, or we might not split the stock, but we're not splitting the floor. If we get 4 shares for every 1 share we hold, that doesn't reduce it from 40 mil floor to 10 mil. It just means we have an extra 3 shares we can sell at 40 mil. We're keeping the floor strong, guys. We're going to keep the floor strong. Elon Musk makes 16 million per hour and pays less in taxes than you. Jeff Bezos makes 4.2 million an hour and pays less in taxes than you. Mark Zuckerberg makes 4 million per hour and pays less in taxes than you. You should be mad at this. Not criticize race theory. Fair. When the wait, I'm just laughing because I've already seen this crunk from what's that cartoon again? The Emperor's New Groove. When the Dow Jones drops 700 points and then the crypto market dips overnight. Oh yes, it's all coming together. I mean, right now crypto, I believe Bitcoin has just touched 29,000. So as Bitcoin goes down and general US markets, so the Dow, S&P, Nasdaq, and they go down, GameStop should be going up. I bet he's thinking about other girls. Did Ryan Cohen shove the chopsticks up his nose before eating or after? That's a good point. I have a feeling probably before, but you just use a different pair, or maybe a fork. Shorts are dying, the pattern is changing. Short attacks. Yep. Ooh. But was that really a short attack? Maybe it wasn't. Maybe it was. Actually, the size of the candle. The size of the candle is getting smaller. The body's getting small. The wick is getting long. No, actually, the wick is getting small, actually. But wait, let me check the date. Like, let's zoom out. How accurate is this? Hold on. Wait. They're on a 1 minute chart. Nah, I don't take this too serious. No offense, I don't take this too serious. It's a 1 minute chart. Nah, it's a 1 minute chart. Well, it's accurate for the day, but over the long term, I don't know. Because it is a daily chart we're looking at. Well, 1 minute chart, should I say. I hold also I can afford a full-sized dog. What do you mean a full-sized dog? If you're if you're trading options in GME, you're gonna have a bad time. Yeah, buy deep in the money. Buy deep in the money options. Buy deep in the money options. Robinhood, you're invited to the Robinhood IPO roadshow. I'm not gonna read the rest of that. Yeah, that's gonna be a no for me. Oh gosh. Again, yeah, that 180 wall. Like, guys, 40 is a wall of support. 90 is a wall of support. 135 to 140 is a wall of support. 180 is a resistance and a support. But we need to make it a support. Because right now, it's kind of still resistance. But it's getting turned back into support. So, we'll probably have to test it a couple of times and rebound and, back and forth around it, and then never see 180 again. And then make 235 or 240 become the next support. Then that massive gap to like 280, 300, stuff like that. And then after 300, bye-bye. Occam's razor. Ryan Cohen's tweet is a PG-13 version of Rick's banana in the tailpipe gag, not some cryptic runic glyph. Okay, I don't get a reference. I'm not educated enough to really put my 2 cents on that. US 10-year yields drops below 1.15%, lowest since February. Even lower than around the time that GameStop was being manipulated. Interesting. Is anyone else getting this crap? It's getting really ridiculous. Hold on. Committee man. Oh my god, the name hurts. 2 months old. And it's got 225 karma. No offense to the karma, but 2 months old? Yeah. Hey, my name is Hardy Ed. Yeah, you're not going to put your whole name. Fake. Today is recommended as well. Man said recommended. Yeah, you come like a shill / a hedge fund analyst. Recommended. And short in the same sentence. Yeah, at least if you said recommended buy, that would have been better. You said recommended short. I don't know about that. Who recommends a short business? Today's recommended, you blow me. Oh my gosh, too techie. Love that. I love that response you just gave. Like, really, too techie. That's the way to shut a show up. Be advised, there's a loose wild bull in the area of Montgomery. There's a real boost. Oh wow. Extra bullish. We're playing catch up on our anniversary gifts this year. Will you please go to giftcards.com and let me know what $50 gift card you would like? Thanks. GameStop. Great, thanks. I'll get it sent to you the next day or two. That's sweet. I mean, spending money in GameStop is equally just like owning the shares in a way. You're helping the business. Like, the difference is, one, you own equity, whereas the other one, you just outright own a product. Diamond Hands. Oh, the Germans, they're in GMEJungle too. Talk about the German market. Nice. Yeah, that's soon gonna become me. Right now, we're just sticking to GMEJungle and Super Stunk, but I need to elaborate. Well, not elaborate, but diversify and look into GME and DD into GME. Kenny, look, someone sold. $10. Nah, 10 on that. Oh gosh, that's good. That's good. I want that user's name to appear there. Can you enlarge it? There we go. Oh gosh. No, that's a good one. I don't think anyone sold. I'm just upvoting because I see Robin Hood and the word delete. Me when I whoa. When I saw my first and only share during Moas. I'm sorry, little one. I'm so glad I don't have just one share. I really am so glad. But at the same time, it means the people with one share, they're going to have to hold for a very, very long time if they want to make it worth it. So therefore, they are as strong as the strongest person. If not, maybe stronger because they're holding on to one. Every single goddamn ape on Reddit when Ape Fest got announced, my clown detector's off the charts. Yeah, I don't know about Ape Fest. That just seemed a little bit off. Any memes? Any memes? Any memes? Any memes? Wait, Marge is calling. Yeah, I don't know. That just puts me on ease, like on edge. Sorry, like seeing like a realistic Marge Simpson. I don't know. Everyone now free to post more content than I can possibly view whilst maintaining the illusion of doing my job. Me during Moa selling my shares one at a time on my way down, knowing I'll never have to work another day in my life. I love the bloody computer he's using. That's like a VTech. It's a V. Oh, shout out to the people that know what VTech is. I'm something of a Rick of Spades myself. We choose to go to the moon, not because it's easy, but because we're retards. Send me a dick pic. Agreed. Nah, actually, the guy, Melvin from Melvin Capital, I think he's more a dick. Yeah. Yeah. And the CEO of Robinhood, Jesus Christ. What's his name? Vlad. Yeah, defo Vlad as well. When your significant other tells you they don't want to hear how many shares of GME you bought during the dip, you're afraid to get wet. Oh gosh. If GME stock splits, well, we kind of know it probably will. Last meme. Those rules are finally in place to counteract predatory naked short selling. Zero intention of ever enforcing that. Yep, so we're going to leave on that, which is somewhat true, pretty much. SEC, scumbag SEC, yep. Yeah, like I said, I'll be trying to look at different subreddits from now on instead of just sticking to Super Stonk, especially after the drama that happened recently. So I'll try and look at GMEJungle, GME, DD into GME, and of course GME. I won't be looking into any other Reddits, just those four, purely because that is actually the main four that you can go for information, content, etc. And it's the most relevant, in my opinion, and probably the most trustworthy. Of course, take everything with a grain of salt and make sure you know what you're investing in because it's your capital that's at risk. GME to me is just basically a savings account and I like the stonk. That's it. It's a savings account. I like the stonk. That is my opinion on it. I don't coerce coordinated buys. Do what you like. That is down to you. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, please, like I said, do subscribe if you're brand new. And if you're already subscribed, thank you. If you liked the video, leave it a like. If you didn't like it, leave it a dislike and just tell me in the comments why you didn't like it. But if you did like it, you can put in the comments anyway why you liked it. And I do reply to your comments fairly quick. People can pretty much vouch for me. I read your comments. So whatever you're thinking, put it down there. I will respond to you probably within 24 hours anyway. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.